afternoon mga Kai, right? So, yeah, this is the day. Uy, si Crystal yun ah. Wait lang, mamaya maghanap muna kasi ako ng bibilhan ng envelope kasi wala nang mabilhan. And guys, by the way, since we're talking about Crystal, she's the president of Lady Riders Association. And yeah, I'm actually friends with a couple of their members. And yeah, for now, hanap muna tayong bibilhan ng envelope. Okay. So yeah, nakabili na tayo ng envelope. So we will be heading now to Total. And yun nga, i-meet natin sina Sir Alan, the rest of the gang, mga lady riders and all, mga marshals. Tapos, syempre, i-hand over na natin after that mga donations natin. And nga pala, speaking of which, I just want to say thank you to everyone who really did purchase and donates. Yung mga bumili ng stickers natin, of course. I really don't know what to say because I wasn't really expecting this to, you know, yung tipong maraming mag-i-inquire, maraming bibili, and yung mga nag-antay sa akin, di ba, kahit umuulan, mga ganong tipo. Also with the Baguio Benguet bloggers, kasi syempre, hindi naman natin magagawa to kung walang support na nanggaling sa kanila. Wait lang. Sige, so let's meet them up and let's complete the gang. Tapos suburin natin yung bahay nila, baby. And now we're taking off na guys. So yeah, gagawin namin is dadalatsa kami ng bahay nila, hindi dun sa schoolan like the first batch, the other batches who kind of like delivered their donations. Ang gagawin namin is may guide kami. Wait. Okay. May guide kami. I-guide nila kami pupunta sa bahay nila Baby Angelica. And then right there and then iabot na namin yung donation. And again, I just want to thank again those people who bought the stickers. Actually, meron akong isang paulit-ulit na bumibili. I forgot the name. Wait, I recall ko lang. Pangalan niya... wait. Hindi ko maalala, sorry. Oh, yun, si Miggy. Again, he initially bought 36 pieces of stickers. Stickers pala. And then, he bought another 16 pieces. And after that, tumawag yung grupo nila, yung Black Raven Baguio chapter. then bought a couple of tickets again. So I really want to say thank you, Sir Miggy. Really appreciate, I mean, andun ka lagi. And then, yeah, that's it. Tama na ako sa kakadatga. Let's go ahead and proceed heading to BB Jellica's house. Yeah, I think malapit na kami. Wait, medyo may pagka-off-road yung daan natin. Hi, fans! Charot. Yun na nga. Wait na nga lang po dito na yun eh. Ayun, tumigil na sila. Ito ba? Yeah, I think we're here. Yes, we just arrived. So, kasya ba kami dito? Parang walang hindi kasya yung parkingan natin. Wait lang, wait natin sila. Pwede ba ako dito na lang mag-park? Doon daw. Sige, doon na lang tayo. Naitabihan natin si, Binibini. Alright, we're here, guys.
Ako sana sir, kaya lang ayaw nila. Sabi, yun na lang po yan. Matanda na raw baka sa parang problema nila. Hindi daw kung ako lang yung malakas. Ako yung makalakas. Uy, kain kayo ah!
Ay, joke lang hindi joke lang. Joke lang natin, sejak madam po.
Hindi naman sa mga riders natin, hindi na namin pinila kung magkano yung total. Bahala ka na. So, ipapasa ko namin. And yun, kasama rin yung prayer natin dito para si Angelica, maganda-ganda ako. Dapat malakas ka para lumapit kang maganda, Para
Yan sa bago. Thank you,
ako tayo.
Thank you po. Oh, nako, dami mong pera nako.
Ibigay na natin yung nakanalingan. Meron na po magbilang.
Salamat po.
Relax lang kami, makay ko rin. Five.
Okay, no.
13,630.
One.
One.
Gawin natin ko ulit.
Yan o, daming pera o.
Kapan na siya dito na building eh.
Hindi, malawang yung karadaan ko dun eh.
Ay, kaya pala.
Kaya babalik ka. Ante, babalik ako mamaya. Dala ko na pala. Pagtagyan ko muna.
Sige po. So yeah, we are finally over. We were able to hand over all of the donation, and we really thank you for all of the supports, donations, and all. And from the bottom of our hearts, of course, we thank you. I really don't know what to say, but thank you. For now, nagkayaan ng kainan tong mga to, and then we will be heading somewhere. I'll be featuring that on my Sugod Carinderia. Again, guys, thank you. This is I Ride Baguio once again. Really appreciate it. See you guys around.